The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 128, effective until 5 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Sussex, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, and Talbot. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. In Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, north central Kent County in central Delaware, southeastern Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, west central Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, Salem County in southern New Jersey, Camden County in southern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, west central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:49 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Tolleyville, or near Wilmington, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Wilmington, Vineland, Newark, Millville, Bridgeton, Middletown, Elkton, Gloucester City, Cumberland, Cherry Hill, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Chester, Deptford, Orleans, West Deptford, Glassboro, and Lindenwold. People attending COVID-19 drive-through testing should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 33 and 44. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 41. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 25. Interstate 95 in Maryland between mile markers 107 and 109. New Jersey Turnpike between exits 1 and 4. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 0 and 23. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 11. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 4. Interstate This is the National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Wycomico County in southeastern Maryland, Dorchester County in southeastern Maryland, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Easton to near Taylor's Island, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near University of Maryland Center for Environmental Studies around 2:55 p.m. Cambridge around 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Vienna around 3:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Yalestown, with the Queen, Brookview, El Dorado, Hudson, Church Creek, Lloyd, Morelos Springs, Taylor's Island, and Wilford. People at Dorchester General Hospital should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Windmill Point to Little Creek, Virginia. Entrance to the Chesapeake Bay including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, James River from Jamestown to the Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel, York River, coastal waters from Chincoteague to Pirano Island, Virginia. Out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Chincoteague to Pirano Island, Virginia. 20 to 40 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Pirano Island to the Virginia/North Carolina border. Out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Pirano Island to Cape Charles Light, Virginia. 20 to 40 nautical miles until 4:15 p.m. At 2:56 p.m. cluster of strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wolf Trap to near Cobham Bay to 24 nautical miles west of Burnwell Bay, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, New Point Comfort, NASA Waddox Reef, Wolf Trap, Anglo-African Wreck, Burnwell Bay, Cape Henry, Ship Shoal Inlet, Thimble Shoals, Quinby Inlet, Great Mashapongo Inlet, Tuesday Marshes Light, Sand Shoal Inlet, Hampton Flats, The Hub, The Cell, Willoughby Bay, Cape Charles Light, Sewell's Point and Cabbage Patch. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wycomico County in southeastern Maryland, northern Worcester County in southeastern Maryland, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gumboro to near Fruitland, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Ocean Pines around 4 o'clock p.m. Newark around 4:05 p.m. Berlin and Cape Isle of Wight around 4:15 p.m. Ocean City around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Bishop, Ocean City Municipality, Salisbury, Wycomico, East Harville, Ironshire, Willards, Lakewood, West Ocean City, Longridge and Chesapeake Heights. People at Peninsula Regional Medical Center and Purdue Stadium should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Fenwick Island, Delaware to Chincoteague, Virginia. Out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Fenwick Island, Delaware to Chincoteague, Virginia. 20 to 40 nautical miles until 5:15 p.m. At 3:49 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles west of Assaluman Bay to 13 nautical miles northeast of Rexwood Point, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean City Pier, 10 nautical miles east of Ocean City Inlet, Assaluman Bay, Ocean City Inlet, Chicken Bone, 10 nautical miles southeast Fenwick Island, Gulf Rambler Wreck and Fenwick Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Smith Point to New Point Comfort, Virginia, Rappahannock River, until 5:30 p.m. At 4 p.m., strong thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles inlet, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. At 3:55 p.m., wind gust of 41 knots was reported at the Middle Peninsula Airport in West Point. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Windmill Point, NASA Waddox Reef, Rappahannock Range Light, Rappahannock Light, Nantuapungo Teague Reef, Irvington, Gwynn's Island Reef, Urbana Inlet, Anglers Reef, Stingray Point, Hole in the Wall, Onencock Inlet, Okeanik Reef, Watts Island, Longs Creek Inlet, Whitestone Bridge, and San Marcos Wreck. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Gloucester County in southeastern Virginia, southern Middlesex County, northern Mass County, southeast of Lancaster County until 5 p.m. At 4:11 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Hartfield, 47 miles southeast of Urbana, moving at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Whitestone and Blake before 15 p.m. Delta wind around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Wind around 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Dutton, Rooms, Collins Creek, Wilton, Harmony Village, Grafton, Hargum, Cache, Emory, and Stampers. For your protection, severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Gloucester County in southeastern Virginia, southern Middlesex County, northern Matthews County, southeastern Lancaster County until 5 p.m. At 4:11 p.m. Severe thunderstorm was located over Hartfield, 47 miles southeast of Urbana, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from New Point Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia. Entrance to the Chesapeake Bay including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. Coastal waters from Paramo Island to the Virginia/North Carolina border out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Paramo Island to the Virginia/North Carolina border 20 to 40 nautical miles until 5:15 p.m. At 4:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Shipshaw Inlet to near Anglo-African Lake to Little Creek, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, First Island Bay Bridge, Chesapeake White Tower, Anglo-African Wreck, Virginia Beach Oceanfront, Cape Henry, Shipshaw Inlet, Fish Hook, Manhattan, Triangle Reef, Fisherman's Island, 10 nautical miles east of Virginia Beach Oceanfront, Cape Charles Light, Cape Henry Wreck, Little Creek, Ruddy Inlet, 4th Island Bay Bridge and 26-Mile Hill. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from New Point Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia. Entrance to the Chesapeake Bay including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, James River from the James River Bridge to the Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel, York River, coastal waters from Paramo Island to the Virginia/North Carolina border out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Paramo Island to Cape Charles Light, Virginia 20 to 40 nautical miles until 6:15 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Tuesday Marshes Light to near Polkoson to near James River Bridge, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Polkoson around 5:20 p.m. York Spit Reef, Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel and Willoughby Bay around 5:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The Hump and Thimble Shoals around 5:30 p.m. Bluefish Rock and Little Creek around 5:35 p.m. Plantation Light, Latimer Shoal, Bowie 36, Cape Charles Harbor, Cabbage Patch, Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel and First Island Bay Bridge around 5:40 p.m. Crypto Peak Concrete Ships, 4th Island Bay Bridge, Cape Henry Wreck and Cape Henry around 5:45 p.m. Fisherman's Island around 5:50 p.m. Cape Charles, Anglo-African wreck and ship show inlet around 5:55 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.